Today we are mastering the pronunciation of the Caribbean country. Many people misplace the emphasis or mispronounce the vowels, but the correct American pronunciation is Haiti. Haiti. Let's break it down into two easy syllables. Hay-T. For the first syllable, think of dried grass fed to horses on a farm, which is hay. The second syllable sounds exactly like a golf ball stand or a warm cup of herbal tea. Tea. Now put those objects together. Hay, tea. Haiti, Haiti, Haiti. The name Haiti comes from the indigenous Taino language word Haiti, which beautifully translates to land of high mountains, honoring the country's breathtaking landscape. Like, comment, and subscribe for more clever pronunciation hacks.